Hi guys, if you are maintenance of this kind of lock, there is some difficulty sometimes for this handle guard here that it's too hard for it to keep it steady if you're alone and nobody assists you, especially on which I encountered CISA. It's the spring for this handle guard here is very strong and it keep me too long to keep it in position. So work easy. uh, let's take this out and I will show you. It prevents the spring from escaping, coming out. You see that? That is a very strong spring there, and it's really difficult for me to align once this is uh, sprung out of this area here, because the spring is very strong here. See that? Very strong, and it's too difficult for me to keep it steady in this area. I have to hold it with a screwdriver and then put the spring back. But I had tools is composed of a, a screw and a bolt and with a washer. This head of the screw should be just enough for the first, for the inner, right? Okay, you see that? And this is the washer, and it should be formed in a concave shape so that it will not hamper the diameter of this handle guard here, like this. So whenever I have a job, in order not to, to let the spring comes out, and missing, get an idea with this, is to put the screw here with the bolt. This is simple developed tools. Put it here before you disassemble this kind of block, sisa like this, super, whatever. Put the tools here and put the washer here. This head should be where the screw is, where you want to remove. Okay, and then tighten it up. Okay, so that's it. Then you can take it out. All right, now you have no worries that the spring will sprung out and lost. Just to remove this, and this handle guard is in place, so you can do the repair, and then when you need it, you have to just return it back. All right, and after you had repair and assemble it, all you have to do is take it out, and then that's it. It's very easy.